Meanwhile, all through last evening, plenty of friends and family, a lot of them from the film fraternity, have come out to try and meet Sanjay Dutt ahead of a day before his surrender. The sympathy around Sanjay Dutt within the film fraternity certainly is growing.
With hours to go for Sanjay Dutt to surrender, his Bollywood friends rallying their support, speaking of their affection for the actor.
You know, to be honest, Sanju sir is a big part of my life. He's a big supporter and he's like family. So of course I've been in touch with her. I've visited him once. I've been away myself, but I should visit him before it's time for him to surrender. And we all pray for him. And I think he's a strong man. So whatever he has to go through, I'm sure he'll go through.
My heart goes out to him, and I feel, I just feel for him because I know him personally. I've worked with him. So these things don't come into my mind. What is right and what is wrong.
मेरा दिल कहता है कि वो बहुत जल्दी बाहर आ जाएगा. मेरी आत्मा से आवाज़ आ रही है. शायद हर कोई उसके लिए सोच रहा है, हर कोई उसके लिए दुआ कर रहा है, हर कोई उसके लिए फील कर रहा है. उनमें से हम भी हैं. भगवान जरूर सुनेगा.
He's a great human being. He's a lovely man, and he doesn't deserve this.
You must be like really disappointed and.
Of course, more than anything else for me, he's my elder brother. So when something like this happens in your own family, of course it affects you.
He's very close to me. हमने कई फिल्में की हैं एक साथ, और I really feel very sad and sorry about जो हो रहा है. लेकिन इसके बारे में कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. My heart is all out for him, and I'm sure he's going to go through with a lot of pain, especially with his kids being outside and his wife being there, and he has to be away from there. But then again, mistake is always a mistake of life, and right or wrong is not a matter.
However, not everyone's a friend, and Nana Patekar made that amply clear when he spoke out against Dutt, saying he'd never work with the actor.
मी काय करू शकतो माझ्याकडनं शिक्षा द्यायची म्हणून मी त्याचा सिनेमा पाहायचा नाही त्याच्या पलीकडे काय करणार किंवा त्याच्याबरोबर काम नाही करायचं नट म्हणून त्यांनी केलेला गुन्हा आहे का त्याला मी शिक्षा दिली का न्यायालयाने शिक्षा दिली ना मग ते न्यायालयाचा मान आपण राखायला पाहिजे